In this short video, I will show you how to add text behind objects in Affinity Photo. First, select your image and make a copy of it by Ctrl+J. Then type your text. After that, select the copy layer image and move to the above text layer. Now take the object selection tool and remove the background of the object. I have many videos on removing background, so you can check that playlist in this channel in great detail on this topic. Now feel free and adjust the text according to your needs. If you found this video helpful, then watch the next video that appears on your screen. You will enjoy it. Also, check out the amazing video playlist organized on this channel. Please leave your useful likes, shares, and comments. Subscribe to this channel. See you again.